The one it is like moving into sustainability, and that's like one of the things that even made me come for like the course.
When I got here, it was a welcoming environment from the staff in school, even the receptionist. It was very good.
The way of teaching of the teachers is so professional.
They always use real-world insight to like impact knowledge in you, try to like bring you out of the shell. So you're always having a conversation in every class.
If we are facing issues with any kind of lectures or we want to learn more about the subject, we can free to ask any kind of thing from them.
They are very sweet and very supportive, so I love it.
It's a very industry-focused course. London attracts companies and industries from all around the world. Studying in London, you are getting exposed and having ability to connect with all those industries, learn from them, and also have opportunity to do some internships.
I went for a training which was under IEMA.
It's a great experience studying in GCU. Specifically, like we can meet different peoples, we can make different friends from different cultures.
You may be in a particular place where you can see Pakistani, Nigerians, Ghanaians, so you're seeing everything in one place, and it's amazing. It's in a very strategic place where you have everything, where you get to see a lot of things, you get to explore a lot of things.
I've visited some places and it's been good sightseeing.
Favorite sport, basically the London Bridge and Big Ben.
GCU has like a real impact. It opens you to different perspectives. It opens different doors for you. It educates you. GCU helps you. It has a supporting body for international students, and you would always feel welcome.
You can grow and learn so much more beyond just your program in your course, where you can meet people from literally all corners of the world.
I don't know how to explain it, but like it's the greatest experience I've had in London so far.